Back with us again this year is Ron Nagy. He's known for innovations that connect systems and developers. His sneak for this year is called Livewire, and it is focused on simplifying the approach to building applications with Adobe XD. Adobe XD is traditionally a designer tool that helps lay out the pixel-perfect screens and intended behavior of an application. Ron and his team have created a concept that doesn't just output a design, but actual front-end code that a developer can tie straight into their application code to make the app come to life. Ron, please share your concept with us.
Today I'll show how we can help our customers build apps starting with the user experience. For this sneak, we're using Project Firefly, currently in beta. It allows our customers to build custom apps using Adobe and third-party APIs. Here are my company's custom apps. We have workflow apps, custom dashboards, and marketing tools that help us reach our customers. And while Firefly makes building apps easier, developers still spend a lot of time coding the perfect UI. What if we could radically change this process? Project Livewire works with Adobe XD to not only build a user experience, but also connect that design to functioning code. Let me show you how. Here's an app I've been working on called Content Velocity. It combines capabilities of Adobe Workfront, Adobe Stock, and others to help my company create marketing content faster. I've created a header, and now I'm beginning on the request form. Firefly uses React Spectrum, Adobe's design system, and React Spectrum components allow me to quickly design this UI. On the left, I have a menu of components like drop-down menus, buttons, etc., and even some I've created. So here are a few examples. Under deliverables, marketers select the types of content they need. Now, depending on how busy the design team is, it may take days or weeks. So I've created a lead time indicator to help my users know how long the request may take. And the developer's written code to pull this information from Adobe Workfront API. Next, I'm going to add an image gallery to help requesters show what types of images they would prefer. And just add the image gallery here. And again, the developer has written code using the Adobe Stock API to make this gallery function. There, it's coming together. Let's see how the developer wires these designs to their code. Okay, inside Livewire, I'm using the same design artifact we created in Adobe XD. Now to bring this to life, I'm going to start with a data source provider. And I'm going to connect this to my Workfront API. And then I need to take the component the designer built and wrap it inside the data provider. Okay, and the last step is to bind this form so that it can listen and react to the other elements. Okay, I can't believe how much easier this is to the old process of taking designs and then spending days and like 3,000 lines of code to create the user experience. Okay, next, let's wire up the image gallery. So again, I'm going to start with a data source provider. And one different thing I have to do here is for the assets that are coming in, I need to bring out an asset card template so it knows where to lay those out on the canvas. And I can't forget to change the data source provider to Adobe Stock. And then I'm going to use this keywords section to essentially drive the image gallery. So what I'm going to do here is select this and go to domino form and connect that to my code as well. And just like that, we are wired for visuals. So let's go live in Adobe XD. While XD has tools to generate sample data for designers, until now you could never see how the app functions inside Adobe XD. So let's check this out. We're going to add a couple of variables here, a couple of deliverables rather. We've got email. We're going to click this. There you go. You see the checkbox is working there. We're going to do it for same thing for social. And we're going to click on lead time. And we are going to update. And there you go, it works. So we're in a design application and we're actually seeing functioning code and interaction that you don't normally see in an app like this. Well, Now the team can collaborate on how the app functions, in addition to look and feel, but all without waiting for a test app. So this is a huge time saver. So let's see what kind of images we get. Can we put in some text here? And we'll go over and update the image gallery. There we go. So right now, Livewire is fetching images using the developer's code and arranging them on the canvas based on the designer's card template. And there we go. We should start creating some content using these as inspiration. Designers and developers can work on the same project using their preferred tool to collaborate in real time. So here's a really super simple, quick example. I'm gonna go over here to deliverables, and I think we should probably change that to something. We can call that channels. And we're gonna click on it again and click update. All right, now let's check out the final app. So I'm gonna go back into Adobe Experience Cloud. We're gonna go back to the home page, go back into Firefly apps, and there we go, we have a brand new application, Content Velocity. And now, this should function just like it did in Adobe XD. So I'm clicking these checkboxes. You can see the lead time is growing. And we're gonna go back here to the image gallery functions. So the app works just the way that we had seen it in Adobe XD. Building custom apps just got way easier thanks to Livewire and Project Firefly. This cross-cloud design process helps customers extend and integrate their investment in Adobe Experience Cloud.
Nice work, Ron and team. Connecting the pixel-perfect design with the ability to output the supporting code streamlines a big part of the development workflow. Thank you for sharing your sneak peek into the idea.